Alright, now we've seen how we think solutions work and how they are equally spread and all that, and how the concentration of a solution means no matter where we take the liquid from, it's going to be that concentration. Let's try to do some simple calculations. Now this might help you a lot for later on. Hopefully you won't be doing it on your fingers like Fred is. Alright, a reminder, when we're doing a solution, we don't add more chemical to it. All we do is we simply add more water to it, or less, or we evaporate some water. So if we know what we started with and how much we ended up with, we can use fractions to help us see what's going on. So if we can see the fraction of the new chemical, of the chemical in my new amount of water, or my new lot, then I can work out how much I've got, especially if we know what the concentration was to start off with. Now we give a special name to solutions which have got an exact concentration. We call them stock solutions. Alright, so they've got an exact thing, so it might be 10% stock solution. It might be 20% stock solution. Now the key is that with a solution, the stuff in it, like salt, is evenly spread right throughout the solution. Evenly spread is the key. So as it says here, no matter where I take it from, I can pour some out from the top or suck some out from the bottom. It doesn't matter. The concentration is still what it says on the bottle. Okay, so it's unless we do things to it that concentration is going to stay that concentration for as long as that liquid lasts. So maybe we all should think too about when we're doing these stock solutions, we should always put the lids back on, because even if it evaporates a little bit, it won't help us that much, will it? So let's look at an example. Right, we've said that the concentration of a solution, I've got 10 cm cubes of 10% solution, and I add 10 cm cubes of water to it. So let's do the sums. So how about a look at it? So my total volume in cm cubes of my solution is going to be 10, which was my 10% salt solution, plus 10 or 20 cm cubes. Now, the fraction of the volume is going to be 10 of salt solution on total, which is 20, which is going to be a half. So the new concentration will be the fraction times what my concentration was to start off with. So it's going to make it half as concentrated, so it will have a 5% concentration. I hope that makes a bit of sense. Let's do one more. Right. So let's say if I take that same stock solution, but I add more water to it. So let's look at it. So I'm going to do the same things again. So to my total volume of my new solution in cm cubes is going to be 10 plus 40, which is equal to 50 cm cubes. Alright, so my fraction of my volume that I know about is going to be equal to 10 on 50 this time, or 1 in 5. So my new concentration is 1 on 5 times 10%. And if I've done my maths correctly, that should mean now I've made a 2% solution. So you can, if you choose the right volumes to mix, you can change the concentration of a stock solution to what you think it could be. Very important in this task we've got coming up.